morning students. Today let us see about the multiple images. Light rays form multiple image. Multiple reflection. What does it mean? Multiple reflection. The word, this term itself explains you the definition. Multiple means many times it goes for reflection. Suppose you are standing in front of a mirror and you keep one mirror, plain mirror, okay? You keep one more mirror at your back. From back you keep it at back of your head, you keep it. What do you see? You can see your back portion of your head. That means the head part you can see. Back portion you can see. How? Because from my head image went to the plain mirror and from there reflected to this mirror which is in front of you, and this reflected ray for this plain mirror it acts as an incident ray. From there reflected ray fall on my eye. So I can see your head. How it happened? It hits from there, it hits here, from there it hits here. Incident reflected. For this mirror, incident reflected. This is a way we can see the multiple images also. So what do you understand? Reflected ray can produce multiple image. One more example. Take two mirror. Okay. Take two plain mirror. Keep it perpendicular. Keep it perpendicular to one another. In between, this is a perpendicular mirror. In between, you keep one coin. You can see multiple images through the mirror. How many number of image you can see? It depends upon one formula, that is 360 by x minus 1. Now I am keeping, at what angle I am keeping between these two? At 90 degree. Okay, this is at 90 degree position. This is 90 degree. So 360 by 90 minus 1. Now I am going to find the number of image formed by this 90 degree angle. To plain mirror I kept at 90 degree angle. No, that how many images are going to happen. So 360 by 90 minus 1. Okay, so let's look at 4. What is the answer? 4 minus 1 equal to 3. You can see 3 images. If you keep the mirror, you can try at home. Two mirror, you keep it as perpendicular to each other, or at 90 degree angle you keep it. And middle one coin you keep in between. You can see how many images? 3 images you can see. Which formula will help you to identify the number of images? 360 by 90 minus 1. Understand? If you are keeping at 45 degree angle, this is one mirror, this is one mirror. Between that, what is the degree? 45 degree position you kept. How will you find the number of image? 360 by 45 minus 1. So you will get 8. 8 minus 1 equal to 7. 7 images you could see. So what is the angle here? You kept 45 degree angle between two plane mirror. And after you keep between. So you can see how many number of images? 7 number of images you can see. Understand? That means it shows multiple reflection. The light ray go for multiple reflection. Here 2 examples I am giving. The first example is periscope. What is the use of periscope? It is used to view. It is used to see the faraway object which is away from our line of sight. Maybe it is top. Okay, it is not in the line of your sight. It may be somewhere else at the top or down position. It help us to view the faraway object which is away from the line of sight. Not in this side, somewhere else. Understand? And what is the procedure? It is made such a way. It looks like that. Okay, here you are going to see. Okay, this is your eyesight. The object is standing here, far away. This is the way you are looking. Okay, here you are going to keep one plain mirror at a 45 degree. This you keep it at a 45 degree angle. You position the plain mirror. This is cardboard, and here also you keep one plane mirror. Two plane mirrors are parallel to each other. Now we are going to weave the object at this corner. Okay, from this end you are going to weave an object. This object you want to see. What will happen? From this ray, what is the incident ray? For this plane mirror, this is incident ray. And what will happen? Incident ray, as soon as when it fall on the surface, it go for reflection. This is called reflected ray. Okay, this is called reflected ray for this mirror. And for second mirror, this reflected ray acts as an incident ray. For this mirror, it is incident. And what will happen? From here, at the point of incident, it go for reflection. So we can see clearly which object you can see image. The image of the tree. The image of this tree, we can see due to multiple reflection. It is based on the principle of multiple reflection. How many times it went for reflection, you see? Incident, reflected. And again, for this mirror, it acts as an incident ray, then reflected. Understand? So this is the way we can see the far away object, which is not the line of our eye, which is far away. Understand? This works on the principle of law of multiple reflection. Second example is kaleidoscope. Okay, it looks like a prism. This instrument looks like a prism. For making this instrument, you need 3 rectangular plane mirror. 3 pieces of rectangular shaped plane mirror. You take it and join as a prism. Okay, 3 pieces you take it and join as a prism. Join together and make a triangle shape like that. It is not correct. Okay, like that you make it. It is not correct. Make it like that. Your prism, 3 sides covered. 2 sides like this, 1 side like the covering. You make it. Then this hole, a corner is there. This 2 corners are there. In this corner, you cover with 1 cardboard. Okay, cover with 1 cardboard. In this 1 small hole, you got to make it. At the other end, you need to take 2 transparent paper. 2 transparent paper. Between this transparent paper, you are going to keep some pieces of bangles. Some pieces of colored bangle pieces. You got to keep it. Broken bangles, anything you can get. Keep it between these 2 plastic transparent sheet. Then attach to this end. Okay, first covering is there. Then 2 covering is there. Between this covering, 2 plastic are there. First piece and second piece. Between the pieces, you have to keep some, bangle pieces. Make sure that they are moving freely. It should not be tight. Okay, the bangle pieces have to move freely between the layer. Now you see through the holes, you can see the different pattern. Why do you see that? Why it happens? Because of law of multiple reflection. Because 3 plane mirrors are around. They are joined around. They are joined together. Around this 3, like a prism, it is made with the help of 3 plane mirror. Because of this, they undergo multiple reflection. So these 2 instruments like periscope and kaleidoscope, these 2 works on the principle of law of multiple reflection. Okay, thank you.